Oh boy, here's a beautiful Corvette, 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 1LT Coupe. Beautiful car, just 20,000 miles on this vehicle. Again, price to sell. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked. This is a beautiful car. Arctic white on the exterior, jet black interior. Under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the Grand Sport package. This includes the black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, dry-sump oil system, Z06 sized wheels, tires, and brakes, Z06 style rocker panels, wider quarter panels, and fenders specific gear ratios, wickerbill rear spoiler, and specific front splitter. Carbon flash badge package is included on this vehicle. Black wheels, carbon flash painted side mirrors, and rear spoiler. Has a wonderful Bose XM MP3 stereo with steering wheel controls and MyLink, remote start, Bluetooth package, dual power sport seats, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, OnStar, tilt-n-tele, side airbags, rear view camera. Of course, everything on this car is power. It also has, of course, cruise control, ABS, and traction control and active handling. And this car shows just 20,860 miles. And this Grand Sport is in really good condition. The paint is in good condition, has a great shine, and those factory black wheels are in overall very good condition as well. The interior of this 2017 Corvette, you can see, shows very good to excellent factory leather seats and door panels, very good center console, very good steering wheel, and the only addition to this car appears to be the window tint. So beautiful car. Remember, here at buyavette.net we can ship nationwide, much less expensive than you might imagine, and buying a car online is our business. So you can buy a car online here at Buyavette with ease, and most importantly, you can buy it with confidence online. So give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Remember, we're located in Atlanta, Georgia. You can stop in and see us when you're traveling through, or give us a call and we'll help you with any Corvette you're interested in. Again, Buyavette.net, Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.